Welcome to Mofai Dharwad YouTube channel. Here you may watch delicious veg kurma recipe. Let's know about the ingredients. 1 bowl of roughly chopped tomato, 1 bowl of green peas, 1 bowl of peeled off pieces of potato, 1 bowl of beans, 1 teaspoon of poppy, finely chopped onion, roughly chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, salt, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1 clove and 3 pieces of cinnamon, 2 green chilies, garlic, 3 cashews, 3 spoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of ghee, cumin seeds, 1 small bowl of coconut turmeric. Now I heat the utensil and use 2 teaspoons of oil. Let it be heat. Oil is heated. Add cardamom, clove and cinnamon, cashews, green chilies, onions, coriander seeds, garlic and poppy. Fry those all ingredients properly.
Later add the pieces of tomatoes. We should not add those before because that is watery vegetable.
Fry very well till get golden color. Use the grinder jar to grind all these ingredients. Add coconut also. Paste is ready to prepare. Now I use the cooker and heat the butter. Use little oil and I use little ghee also. If you want, you may use any 2 ingredients. Add little cumin seeds, then finely chopped onions, beans, fry little. After frying those, add pieces of potato. Fry these all very well. Fry those properly, we get the very good taste. Now add red chili powder, garam masala and little turmeric. Now add green peas because not need of frying those more. Fry little. It's the right time to add the grinded paste. And stir it. Let it be boil little. Add 1 cup of water. Mix it well. Add salt for taste. Stir it. If you want, add little more water. Close the lid. Boil for 1 whistle. Open the lid. It's very correct consistency. It boiled very properly. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir it. And boil for 2-3 minutes again. Now very spicy veg kurma is ready. Serve it with the puri or chapati.